Radiens applications can save and load multiple user workspaces. For all three apps, the workspace includes the window and tab layout of the application. For example, in a Lego, after arranging the tabs how I want, I can click Save Workspace and System Configuration in the top bar to save the layout to the current workspace. I can see which workspace is current by opening the user profile modal in the top right. There's also a Save button here for convenience. Now if I had closed some tabs and I want to restore my previous layout, I can click on the current workspace again and it will restore it. I can also open a tab in a separate window by right-clicking the tab launcher from the left bar, or by expanding the tab launcher and clicking the tab type, then choosing New Window. Once I hit Save Workspace for the new window, its size and position will be tracked in the workspace as well. I can remove a window from the workspace with the Delete button in the top bar. Next, let's look at some of the other settings that are saved in the Lego workspace. System mode, electrode selection, and filters. Let's create a new workspace and change some of these settings. Now, when selecting between these workspaces, it will update these system settings in addition to the tab layout. The available workspaces and settings will persist when restarting a Lego on the computer as well. In the Curate app, the saved workspaces contain the window and tab layout, as well as the configuration of the Curate protocols themselves. When I type a new name in the protocols list, I see the option Create New Protocol and Save As. Create New will open a new empty protocol. Save As will rename the existing protocol to the new name. I can have multiple protocols available in the session, and when I switch between workspaces, it will also update the current working protocol. And like a Lego, the protocols will persist between Curate sessions. In Vidiri, the workspace will include the open data sources as well as the tab layout. These open data sources will also persist between sessions.